Hi, my name is Lauren, and this is my Java1 Term 1406 Week 3 video. The API that I'm using is called Cheap Shark. It's an API that allows you to send data and return back game-related stuff on the lowest price on what's currently 12 different online stores. It doesn't require a developer ID, and it's really easy to use and consistent. That's why I chose it. My code's gotten quite long. As far as my JSON data is exactly the same, because when I made, or my parse function, when I made the static data, I did it from what the API returned to begin with, so I didn't have to change any of my parse methods. Right. That. This is my thumbnail method. It reaches out and grabs the thumbnail for each item. Okay, here's my check connection method. This will actually alert the user with an alert dialog. We do it on the emulator, but it takes forever to switch between applications. It alerts the user that there's no internet connection and that they need to check it before they can run the search. It also will log out errors to the console if there's any problem along the way, either with the API class, the actual get method, or the check connection method. They all return an error log to the console. This is my API class and actual method. I tried using progress bar with the class and the on post execute and on pre-execute, but I couldn't get it to work properly. I also went ahead and made a custom list view with the cheapest price, the title, and a thumbnail image. And every time this custom list view creates a new actual list item, it runs the call to get the thumbnail for each one. I think that's it for this week's stuff. From this week, the lessons went alright. The problem I had last month when I took this class that I never got figured out till about 5 days ago was when I was trying to call my API method, the connectivity manager would always crash the application, and I found that it was because I never actually set the context. So ever since I got that figured out, it's gone by pretty easily. So far, I think Java is less complicated than I originally thought it was. And I'm fairly happy with it. It seems to be more temperamental than iOS, but it's not bad after you get used to it. I actually prefer the dot notation. The few things I could use more clarification are the little things like the progress bar. If you run a search the API takes a little bit of time to return the results. And I would have liked to be able to, oh, that's because I clicked on the game. I would like to be able to have a progress bar display right here reliably without it crashing the application. And I haven't yet been able to figure out how to do that. Oh, by the way, all this is dynamic data. It all loads from each item. And I also was trying to figure out a way to add the thumbnail image inside the alert dialog. I don't even know if that's possible, but if it was, I would have liked more options on the little things that you can do to really streamline your code. Thank you. This is my Java 1 Week 3 video.